Justice with Rally Trailer Manufacturing, and today we are going over our STRT-110 reel trailer. This trailer can haul a 10,000 pound reel at a 96-inch max reel diameter and a 62-inch max reel width. Some features available with this model are the Fairlead option, your rear hydraulic auxiliary ports, the rewinder, and this model also shows our galvanized option. This trailer also includes 4 tire shocks. A standard feature on this trailer is the front toolbox. The rear controls are located on the back passenger side of the trailer to ensure safety for the operator on the roadway. The rear hydraulic controls control your rewinder as well as your auxiliary ports. This trailer also comes standard with a hydraulic front jack as well as an engine shroud to protect from loose cable. One of the unique features about this trailer is our completely pinless hydraulic turret. The hydraulic controls conveniently located at the front of the trailer control your front trailer jack as well as your turret position.